Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you where you can find your recent players that you play with in Valorant, so you can add someone to your friend list. So what you want to do is just be in Valorant game, and now just press here in career. In career, oh my god, don't look at this, guys, don't look at this. I wasn't paying attention to the game. It doesn't mean anything that I got 4 losses in a row, right? So what you want to do is just click on the match that you play with and go to scoreboard or like timeline, and just right click to whatever who you want to like add friend with, and here just add a friend. And this is pretty much it, and this is how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and some support. And yeah, have a great day everybody, and goodbye.